Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box at the top type in www.amazon.com/gift. and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll need to log into your Amazon account first. If you've not done that yet, make sure to log into your account. And now, this will directly take you to this page where you can see lots of gift cards available. Go ahead and select a category that you'd like to buy the gift card from and select a gift card you'd like to purchase. Once you find the gift card, give it a click. Select a gift card design by choosing from one of the options over here. And once you select a gift card design, scroll down and enter your gift card details. Select the amount, or you can also enter an amount of your choice. Choose a delivery method. Right where it says delivery, choose either email or text message. And enter your information in the text box as followed. Type in your email address or your phone number and fill in the rest of the information. You can also attach a message in the text box where it says message. Now on the next field, type in the quantity of the card you'd like to purchase and select the delivery date from the calendar below. Once you type in all of the information, scroll up and click on Buy Now button on the right hand side of the screen. Enter your Amazon.com account's password on the next page in order to verify your identity and click Sign In. Now, you'll need to add a payment method, or if you've already added a payment method, select one of the methods in order to continue shopping. From the Add a Payment method, go ahead and click on Add a Credit or Debit Card option. Enter your card number, your name, available on the card, its expiration date, and your security code. You can choose this method of payment as default by clicking on this little box at the bottom. If you don't want to do that, leave it unchecked and finally click on Add Your Card. Once you add a payment method, click on the Continue button. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to purchase Amazon gift card quick and easy. You'll be notified if your gift card has been delivered to you via SMS or email address that you've selected. That is how you can easily purchase a gift card for Amazon. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.